Hi everyone, this is Saeed Akhtar Khan again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how we can create a KML or KMZ file in Google Earth. Google Earth is widely used by geoscience and GIS community to examine various features present on the surface of Earth. And KM file or KMZ are used to digitize these features. So let's say if we want to digitize this island called Isle of Man present between Ireland and United Kingdom. So in order to digitize it, we need to click on this feature called Add Polygon. Okay, and we give it a name, call it Isle of Man. And now we need to click, it's just simple. You need to simply click it and digitize the boundaries of this island. So it may not be perfect, but it should serve us the purpose of this tutorial. So once we are done, we need to click OK. So you see here, we have Isle of Man as a new file over there. So now we need to save this. So we right click and then we choose Save Place As, give it a name and select the location of folder. And I save it as a KMZ because KMZ is the same thing as KML, it's just in a zip folder. So I save, and now I go to the folder and I have this file Isle of Man. In order to examine whether it's the correct one, we can import this file into QGIS. So I bring it into QGIS. So I have it here just to verify if we got the exact feature. So I just provide a base map and you see it's Isle of Man. That's it for today. In the next video, I will show you how we can convert this KML or KMZ file into a regular S3 shapefile, which can be used in programs such as ArcGIS or QGIS. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.